Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about LEDs. I will start with the basics of how they work, and then I'll set a scenario and take you through how I would code it using a Raspberry Pi. To begin, LED stands for light emitting diode, and it glows whenever an electrical current is passed through it. It has one longer leg, which is known as the anode, and it is connected to the positive supply of the circuit, and it has one shorter leg that is known as the cathode, and that's connected to, you guessed it, the negative supply of the circuit. It is very important to connect these to the power circuit the right way round, otherwise they might break, and that is just not ideal. LEDs can be connected to the Raspberry Pi through the GPIO, which is General Purpose Input and Output, and this allows for the Raspberry Pi to control the LEDs by turning them on or off. We want to add a button to the system in the upcoming scenario, so we will have to connect the Grove Pi to the GPIO, and then we can connect the button and the LEDs to digital ports. Moving on to the scenario. So let's say Saskia wants to enhance her dressing table mirror by adding lights around the edge so that she has better lighting when she does her makeup and she can take better selfies. We want to create a simple program for the Raspberry Pi so that when the button is pressed, the LED lights turn on. To code in Java, we need to import the required Grove Pi libraries. We then need to create a new instance of the Grove Pi in the main method. Next, we need to create instances of the LEDs which are connected to digital ports 2 to 6. We also need to create an instance of the button which is connected to digital port 7. We need to start with the LEDs turned off by setting the state to false. To activate the LEDs, we need to constantly check if the button is pressed. If the button is pressed, we change all of the LED states to true and the lights will turn on. So that's all we'll be covering in this video tutorial. To summarise, we've covered the basics of LEDs and how to create a simple dressing table mirror system with LEDs using the Grove Pi add-on. Thanks for watching!